Welcome to the Dalton. This is our 644 square foot home. All right. As you walk in, you'll have all hardwood floors, stainless steel appliances, track lighting, shades on the windows, and under cabinet lighting. So when you walk into the home, you have a coat closet for extra storage for your guests. To the right, you'll have your mechanical closet here and your full-size digital washer and dryer. Stainless steel appliances here. Glass top stove. Also with an ice maker. Fridge has lots of storage. Our homes feature deep sinks with changeable nozzle and a pulley. This is the living room space. This home is on the 10th floor. Your views will not be blocked of DC, so you'll be able to see this really, really pretty at nighttime. From the living room, your bathroom here, under cabinet and storage, deep sink, armrest in the tub, changeable shower head, rug hooks, and dual flush toilet, 1 and 2. This would be your linen closet for your bathroom storage. This is the bedroom area. Lots of natural light, great views of the Capitol. It's a very large bedroom. Can definitely fit a king size comfortably. And this is the closet space here. Lots of room, super deep. All right. Final walk around. This is our 644 square foot home. Thank you.